Alright guys, I gotta go inside and eat dinner real quick. Apparently there's a supercell thunderstorm. Severe warning supercell coming here. At least it looks like a supercell because it has a hook. There is a hook, but apparently it does not show a mesocyclone, but there's definitely a hook. And there probably is a mesocyclone, it's just that my radar scope is not showing it right now. But I gotta go eat dinner real quick. I'll try to be back out here as soon as possible. Yeah, so are we gonna get a tornado warning here? If they issue a tornado warning, what could it possibly do? Our area could be in that. And then we have to go to the basement, especially since it looks like it's only getting more intense and it's going to be. You know, it is only looking like the supercell, like it's getting stronger and stronger. So. And there's like hail. You probably won't be able to see it very well. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and many flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado warning remains in effect now. It's 25 p.m. for the following counties: Delaware. So the severe thunderstorm was canceled for our area, and now for the south. I don't know what's happening. No, it doesn't say there's a tornado around. That doesn't mean we won't get hit though. flood watch system. Flood watching is in effect through tonight. What flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is hugely possible. Where portions of northern Delaware, including the following area: Newcastle, New Jersey, including the following areas: Atlantic, Hampton, coastal Atlantic, coastal ocean, Texas, Eastern Mountains, Gloucester, Henderson, Mercer, Middlesex, Morris, North, with the severe thunderstorm going for Newcastle and Torrential counties is canceled. The severe thunderstorm was probably the one that moved out of the Morris area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A tornado watching is in effect at 7 p.m. for southern New Jersey. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7 p.m. for western Canada, Taylor and south central Gloucester counties. At 6:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Canada, 47 miles northwest of Houston, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Average 60 miles per hour expected. Source: radar indicator. Impact: such damage contributes to power lines. Locations of traffic include Farming, Millville, Richmond, Rural, Lake, Woodstown, Iowa, St. Paul, Elmer, Greenwich, Carroll, Newport, Franklin, Alabama, and Rock City. A tornado watching is in effect at 7 p.m. for southern New Jersey. For your protection research, stay away from a village floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7 p.m. for following counties: Netherlands, Gloucester, Pennsylvania. Tornado warning for northeastern Pennsylvania with climate at 6:45 p.m. The storm is probably the one that moved out of Toledo and Delaware area. Therefore, the warning will be allowed to decline. A tornado warning is in effect at 7 p.m. for central Delaware. For severe weather, contact your National Law Enforcement Agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service on call service. The tornado warning has been allowed to expire in the following counties: Delaware. The following is a flood watch system. Flood watching is in effect through tonight. What flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is hugely possible. Flash flood warning remains in effect until 9:45 p.m. this evening for northern Newcastle, northwestern Hampton, northwestern Gloucester, northwestern Florida, southeastern Texas, Delaware, southeastern Montgomery, and Philadelphia counties. At 6:42 p.m., Storm Weather Products reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain with water refuge around Delaware County. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Expected rainfall rate is 0.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts up to 0.5 inches are possible in the warm area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Average flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: James Myers reporting. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks including urban areas, trailers, creeks, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Critical species of rainfall flash flooding include Philadelphia, Hampton, Wilmington, North, Westchester, Gloucester City, Chester, West Bedford, Lake, and Lake. Turn around, don't turn but encountering flooded roads. Look, flood depth currently occurring. The following is a flood watch system. Flood watching is in effect through tonight. What flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is hugely possible. Where portions of northern Delaware, including the following area: Newcastle, New Jersey, including the following areas: Atlantic, Hampton, coastal Atlantic, coastal ocean, Texas, Eastern Mountains, Gloucester, Henderson, Mercer, Middlesex, Morris, northwestern Burlington, Ocean, Taylor, Thunderstorm, southeastern Burlington and western London, and southeast Pennsylvania, including the following areas: Delaware, eastern Texas, eastern Montgomery, Lower Run, Philadelphia, Upper Run, western Texas, and western Montgomery. West, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7 p.m. for northwestern Texas, southern Texas,
So the rain is absolutely torrential. Some gusty winds look like the power flickered when I was inside. I'm eating a piece of Dubai chocolate right now, and this is what I see. Is my camera wet? Okay, thank God my camera's not wet. We are basically inside the supercell. Even though we're technically not under a severe thunderstorm warning, maybe that isn't. These are quite strong. Like these actually might be feeding significantly. So they might have to issue a severe thunderstorm. No, this may not be issued. A lot of wind. Oh god, it's getting wet over here. These wind gusts, I feel like some might be exceeding 60. Oh god. Something bad is happening. I think these are downbursts. That's the thing. Like this might actually be severe criteria. And I was inside eating dinner this whole time. I don't know if I missed anything crazy or not. The modulator siren was going off. Oh god, what's happening now? Is this a big downburst or is this a downburst or a downpour? It's probably both. This actually, like, this should have been severe warning. They should have canceled the warning. Has weakened below severe limits. Dude, I'm literally getting hit by these really strong winds. It's only getting worse now. Like, why do they cancel it? Like, they should not have canceled that. And it keeps coming. Like, yeah. It keeps like Bro, I don't think this is weakened below severe limits, man. I really don't think that. I don't believe it. Because these winds are quite strong. Some might have actually gusted over 60 miles an hour. Well, I don't know about over 60, but some might have definitely gusted to like 40 or 50. Well, that was close lightning. Alright, what's this? Tell me they reissued it. Oh, never mind. It's just a flash flood warning. I don't believe that this isn't severe. And plus, we're still like, it's still like pretty much the beginning. It's about to get a lot worse. Like, we've already had a lot of gusty wind, but we still got more to come. It says it's only 70 degrees now. So I think it was a supercell, but I guess it decided to form as 2LCS instead, or pretty much, or something like that. There's no way, like, they better issue a new warning before people are like caught off guard with damaging winds when they expected a severe thunderstorm, or when they didn't expect, when there was no severe thunderstorm warning, and then all of a sudden these winds are gusting to 60 miles an hour. I'm just saying, like, that could happen. At least we won't be in a drought. Well, so is this a bust? I'd say it was a little bust. It was a minor bust. Okay. What's this now? Please be something good. Nope. Nope. That's not dry. I want to see where that tornado, the Dover tornado is now. I think it basically like just, I think it deformed. How the hell is a storm south of us severe warning? The one near us is not. Like, they need to issue one ASAP. It seriously looks like it's damaging.
Can you look at the velocity of the I don't know, man. Like, it looks pretty severe. The National Weather Service in Mount Colorado issued a flash flood warning for Mercer counties in central New Jersey, southeastern Gusty counties in southeastern Pennsylvania, east central Montgomery counties in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Philadelphia counties in southeastern Pennsylvania, with a 10:30 p.m. At 6:26 p.m., gusts of radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warm area, up to 0.5 inches of rain per hour. The expected rainfall will be 1 inches per hour. Additional rainfall around 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warm area. Flash flood is also reported in St. Sherman. Average flash flood caused by
It looks like the storm should be producing straight line winds rather than Static rotation. So I guess it probably was a supercell, but it started to form like a small line or something. Still trying to make its way here.
The national relative between non-power passes to the flash by one foot. Southern Kentucky and Central Delaware, Northern Carolina, counties in Eastern Maryland, Southeastern Queensland, counties in Northeastern Maryland until 11 p.m. At 6:53 p.m., Joshua is out to see a thunderstorm producing heavy rain across the Warren area. 1.5 up to 2.5 inches of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 2.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin soon. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorm producing flash flooding. Source, radar indicated. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks into urban areas, highways, streets, and other passes. Flash flooding between Dover, Denton, Harry, Camden,
So I'm gonna be gone. If I didn't tell you guys this yet, I'm gonna be gone for a week. Oh God, here comes the wind again. Oh boy. Never mind. Not really that bad. But if I didn't tell you guys, so tomorrow I'm leaving for a week. I'm going to Ocean City, Maryland tomorrow. And I'm gonna be gone from tomorrow, Friday the 21st, all the way until Friday the 28th. So I'll be gone for a whole week. But I'll probably post some videos while I'm there, because there might be like some storms in Ocean City. I'm not sure exactly how intense they'll be. Tornado. Oh, that's Mount Nero. I'm kind of, I wish that this storm was better, and I gotta start a new video.